Aloha party people, and welcome back to the channel. Guess where we are tonight? That's right, Tiki Farm. We are here for the annual USBG Tiki meeting. And guess who's doing our cocktails tonight?
What's going on?
All right, our friend Leonard from Stowaway.
Yeah, we're a tiny little tiki bar, little neighborhood bar in Tustin,
I
Orange
love
County.
it.
So,
I love it. I love it. Tell us about the drinks we're going to have tonight.
We got 3 specialty cocktails tonight. We have a twist on a painkiller. Mountain Gaze helping us out with their dark rum. We're also doing a splash. Ed Hamilton, like you were saying, is providing a little bit of his Navy strength rum that we're doing a little splash in there. We're doing our take on a Saturn with an aged barrel aged rum from Cutwater, and then we have a take on a whiskey sour using Whistle Pig, infusing it with some blood orange and giving it our own little tiki flavor.
Sounds great. Sounds great. I'm excited to try the drinks tonight. If you listen to those ingredients, oh my God. And we're also going to have Ed Hamilton here. He's going to be speaking for us on behalf of Hamilton Rums. He's going to do a little symposium. So come along and join us. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Aloha! Food. Yeah, healthy. I'm eating healthy tonight.
I'm the magician that's going to be doing magic later. Might as well start off doing title. Hi, what's your name?
Kingston.
I'm Laurel, and you are?
Esteban.
And Felicity. I'm still Laurel. Hi, cameraman.
Hello.
You like card tricks?
I do.
Perfect. I hate them, but we're going to do it anyway. Do me a favor. Reach in there, pick a card. I'll tell you what it is. Oh, wait, I'm looking. I'll do it face down. That'll be a lot better. Anyone you want, don't let me influence you. Free choice. I won't even look.
Should I actually pick this one?
No. Show it to everybody, but don't show me. I already seen the trick. Show everybody else. Make sure the camera sees it.
I can't look at it, right?
Like that. Everybody got a good peek at it?
Can he look at it?
Don't forget it. Don't forget it. If you forget it, the rest of the
Oh, you can't look at it.
Okay. Would you remember that card?
Hopefully.
See it again? If you forget, I got an extra one over
I've been
here.
drinking.
Oh!
Did you see it jump in the box?
I must be drinking.
You did. Did you check the box before? Because if you didn't check, I could have had an extra one in there. Check the box, make sure. Some people, when they see that trick, they think it's an extra special box. I go like this and it's 3 of diamonds. You checked it really good, didn't you? Now, it works with any card. It doesn't have to be the 3 of diamonds. It works with any card. Esteban,
I need a shot
are you
for
ready?
this.
Yeah. I'm going to go like this. You say stop anywhere you like. Say stop. Oh, somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle. You got that card? You remember that card? Was it the 3 of diamonds again? Oh, good. I got it over here. The 3 of spades. Is that it? Yeah.
Whoa!
The other one over there. The 3 of diamonds. Isn't that weird? Now you looked amazed at that. You looked amazed at that. So
I'm very
like that
easily
reaction.
impressed.
I like that reaction. What's your name, by the way?
Felicity.
You didn't change your name. Good job. Reach in there, pick any card you want, show it to the rest, but don't show me, okay? I'm going to show you one of the most amazing card tricks you ever saw in your life. Got it? Perfect. Now this won't be the most amazing card trick in your life, but this is something else. Okay, we'll give it a little shuffle. Is your card here on the top? Did I shuffle it up to the top?
No, should have.
How about here on the bottom?
No.
I didn't cheat yet, but I will. Are you ready? I'm gonna try and find your card in the center. Now, was your card a red card or a black card?
Black card.
Oh, good. Nothing in my right hand, nothing in my left hand. But if I give it a little tap, was that it?
red card.
Oh, yeah. Now, this is the kind of craziness that you'd see at a special night at Stowaway in Irvine when we're doing magic behind the bar. I performed there. In fact, at the end of this month, on the 28th, I'm there at the Stowaway doing magic behind the bar. I'm not a bartender, but I do bar magic.
Stowaway?
Yeah, it's Stowaway. The 28th. I'll show something special with you. Are you ready? Hold out your left hand, palm up. You left-handed or right-handed?
I'm ambidextrous.
I'd give my right hand to be ambidextrous. But look at the palm of your left hand. You can look here. He's looking up there for something. That's what it is. Don't worry, it won't cut you in half. But if I squeeze you out there, I'll point you. Now, I probably caught you off guard. Don't look too happy. That's not a souvenir.
Damn it.
I give another squeeze and right there and point at you. Starting to like it, I'll make money out of thin air. Now watch the third one. That's number 3. These are heavy ones. You see
Damn.
Look at this. You see that fourth one? I give it a squeeze, jumps on your elbow. Oh, there's another one.
Where? I didn't know.
Dude!
I wasn't ready for that one.
I wasn't also.
Now watch this. How many coins you see there? 4 coins. Nothing else extra in my hand. I'm gonna make these 4 coins jump to one hand, one at a time, on the other side. You ready? Watch me, Felicity. On the count of 3. 1, 2. All right. Did you see him jump around? No, that wasn't the magic.
I did.
Magic comes. Magic comes when I snap and one jumps over here. Now you weren't ready for that one. I caught you off guard. So I'll do it again. This time you won't see it happen, but you'll hear it. Listen very carefully. Hup. Now there's 2. Oh baby, it's like that David Coppertone guy on the TV. Hey, you know what I'm talking about.
Coppertone.
I got 2 coins over here and 2 coins over here. Do me a favor, Felicity. Say go.
Go.
Now there's 3 over here. You see that?
Hey, that's what's up.
Felicity, you're gonna do the participation in the magic show. Hold on to the 3 coins, squeeze them tight, and put your fist right there on the table. Now watch this. This one will freak you out. Did you feel that one? No. Slowly open your hand, see what you got. All 4 coins. Can you put one of them in my hand? Just one in my hand. Do you know why she chose that one? That's the one that gets bigger. That's man, look at that. I better take that away. My little souvenir. Thank you for watching my magic. Enjoy the rest of the night, guys. Thank you.
Tell our friends your name.
I'm Lauro Castillo. I'm at Stowaway.
What's your Instagram?
Lauro Castillo Magic.
All right. Awesome. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank everybody for coming out. We are so excited to have you here and to be here for our 3rd annual Tiki meeting. See all these beautiful t-shirts and these beautiful faces.
Now write down 5 things you're going to do starting today to make that happen. I wrote, I quit. Gave him a piece of paper and he goes, no, you can't quit.